Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is when you actually open up the app, you can actually see you will have a quiz right here, which you can basically take to learn about your addiction. And once you've done this, you actually need to start up by creating an account on this page. You can use your email or just a Google account to do so, or skip this for now, but you're going to need an account if you actually want to use this app. Once on this page, you'll actually be able to see an option for your day's streak for not gooning, but basically you just click on the next option here, and you basically want to select your gender and how long you typically consume this. Now, once you've actually selected your option, you can basically continue to check yes or no to all of these questions or skip the test entirely just on the bottom middle of the screen. And after you've done that, you can actually put your name in on this page as well as your age, because you actually do have to be at least 16-year-olds. Once we've done this, you can basically see our analysis for this dependence on this thing. And from here, you simply want to click on check my symptoms, and you can actually check out all these boxes so it can get to know you a little bit better and get to know your feelings and get to know your reasons for wanting to stop doing this, as well as how we can actually improve. Once you've done this, you can basically click on the continue option after reading a little bit about this app and how fast it's going to get you to quit, and even setting some goals for this app. Once you've done that, you can basically set a referral code if you actually have one for using this app. There is a version that does not cost any dollar bills, but once you're on this app, it'll basically set up your path just on this page like so, as it describes. And as you can see, it will give you a custom date on when you will have quit in this thing by, and basically you can scroll down to the bottom of this and click on claim now if you want a discount, or you can actually just click on the next page right here, where you can actually view the cost in all plans features. And once you access this app just on this page like so, you'll be able to see your recovery as well as other insights like these that you can actually use to quit, meditate, and replace these bad habits with. And it even comes with custom leaderboards as well as meditation and other breathing exercises that will help you quit using this app. And that's all you need to do to set up and use this app.